Have you ever wondered why some of life's most important lessons seem to arrive just a bit too late? In this video, we'll unveil 15 crucial insights that many people only grasp after years of experience. If you don't watch until the end, you might miss out on wisdom that could dramatically improve your life choices, relationships, and overall happiness. Don't let these lessons catch you off guard. Subscribe to this channel and arm yourself with knowledge now. 1. The ephemeral nature of everything. Everything in life is temporary, from relationships to possessions. This realization can be both liberating and sobering. Understanding this concept can help you appreciate the present moment more fully and make wiser decisions about what truly matters. For example, realizing the temporary nature of a job can motivate you to pursue more fulfilling career paths or invest in personal growth. 2. The unfairness of life's playing field. Life doesn't always reward hard work or good intentions equally. This harsh truth can be seen in various situations, from workplace promotions to personal relationships. Accepting this reality can help you navigate life more strategically and resilient. For instance, a talented artist might not achieve commercial success while a less skilled but better connected peer thrives. 3. The irreplaceable value of family. Family often proves to be the most reliable support system in life. While friends come and go, family ties tend to endure through thick and thin. This lesson often becomes apparent during life's toughest moments. For example, during a health crisis, it's often family members who provide unwavering support and care. 4. The mirror of self-treatment. How you treat yourself significantly influences how others treat you. Your self-respect, confidence, and self-care set the standard for your interactions. This principle is evident in professional settings where self-assured individuals often command more respect and opportunities. A person who values their time and skills is more likely to be valued by employers and clients. 5. The power of present sacrifices. The sacrifices you make today can yield significant rewards in the future. This concept applies to various aspects of life, from education to financial planning. For instance, choosing to invest in your skills or save money in your 20s can lead to greater career opportunities and financial stability in your 40s and beyond. 6. The fallacy of health for success. Sacrificing health for success is a poor trade-off in the long run. Many high achievers learn this lesson too late, facing burnout or health issues. For example, a workaholic executive might achieve great career success, but suffer from stress-related health problems that diminish their quality of life. 7. The courage to be authentic. Fear of criticism shouldn't stop you from being your true self. Embracing your authenticity often leads to greater fulfillment and attracts like-minded individuals. This lesson is particularly relevant in the age of social media, where the pressure to conform can be intense. A person who openly pursues an unconventional career or lifestyle might face initial criticism, but ultimately find greater satisfaction and success. 8. The illusion of material possessions. Material possessions often matter less than we think they do. The pursuit of things can distract from more meaningful aspects of life. This realization often comes after accumulating wealth or possessions. A person might work tirelessly to buy a luxury car, only to find that the joy it brings is fleeting compared to experiences or relationships. 9. The inevitability of dawn after darkness. Even the toughest times eventually pass. This perspective can provide hope and resilience during challenging periods. For instance, someone going through a difficult divorce might feel like their life is over, only to later find new happiness and opportunities they couldn't have imagined during their struggle. 10. The choice of happiness. Happiness is largely a choice and a mindset rather than a result of external circumstances. This empowering realization can transform one's approach to life. For example, two people facing the same challenging situation, like job loss, might have vastly different experiences based on their chosen perspective and response. 11. The importance of the present moment. The present moment is where life actually happens, yet it's often overlooked. Focusing on the now can enhance life quality and reduce anxiety about the past or future. Practicing mindfulness or engaging fully in current activities, like truly listening during a conversation, can significantly improve life experiences. 12. The universal self-interest. Everyone primarily acts in their own self-interest. Understanding this can help in navigating relationships and negotiations more effectively. For instance, in a business deal, recognizing that the other party is primarily motivated by their own interests can help in crafting mutually beneficial proposals. 13. The fear beneath anger. Anger often masks underlying fear or insecurity. Recognizing this can improve conflict resolution and self-understanding. For example, a person who reacts angrily to criticism at work might actually be afraid of failure or job insecurity. 14. The vastness of unexplored experiences. The world offers more experiences than one can ever fully explore. This realization can inspire curiosity and combat complacency. For instance, a retiree might discover a passion for learning new languages, opening up entirely new cultural experiences they never considered before. 15. The brevity of a lifetime. A lifetime is shorter than we often realize. This awareness can motivate more intentional living and prioritization of what truly matters. Calculating the actual free time one has in life, after accounting for work, sleep, and daily chores, can be a wake-up call to make the most of every moment. If you're intrigued by these life lessons and want to apply them to create a more fulfilling and potentially financially free lifestyle, keep watching our previous videos. They offer practical strategies for personal growth, wealth building, and living life to its fullest. Remember, it's never too late to start learning and applying these lessons. Your future self will thank you for the wisdom you gain today.